Removing the background in the Lightroom Classic and making it white is a bit of a workaround. So in this video, I'm going to share you a guide-to-guide step on how to remove background in Lightroom Classic. So if you want to remove your background in Lightroom Classic, first thing you have to do is select your photo. So once you select it, open photos to be able to select your photos. Open the Lightroom Classic and select the photos you want to edit in the develop module. Then click on the mask tools. You can also use the shortcut M and choose the select object option in the Lightroom, and this will automatically detect and select the subject of your photos. You can also invert the mask. So after the subject is selected, click on the invert option to select the background instead of the subject. You can also adjust the background. So if to adjust the background, or use the exposure slide. Use the exposure slider to increase the exposure and make the background white. You can also use the highlight and white sliders to fine-tune the background. So once you do that, you can refine the edge. So if you want to refine the edge, use the brush tools to manually adjust any areas that need refinement. You can add or subtract from the mask as needed. Final adjustment: make any final adjustments to ensure the background is completely white and the subject stands out. And this is a guide. This is a quick guide on how to remove background in Lightroom Classic. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell, then subscribe for more and like the video. Thanks.